Hello, this is a short video to help you with the illustrated step of our energy transformation virtual lab. So when you click on the illustrated screen, it will take you to slide 11 and it asks you to draw a picture of 3 different objects that you find in your house and then explain all the different energy transformations. The next slide, I have had to edit some of their information to explain how to use Google Draw, which I don't think is something you guys have done before. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to do that. So to insert your drawings or your images here that have been edited, you want to go to My Drive, go to New, go to More, and you'll see Google Drawings. You open that up, and it gives you this kind of checkerboard background here. And you can change how big the image is by dragging this box. I would leave it the way it is to get started. I would recommend, instead of freehand drawing 3 things, I would pick 3 items. So like a light, or about lamp, that might be better. So insert a lamp that you like into the picture, resize it so it doesn't take up the whole screen. Something else I have in my house is a fan. So I could insert a fan picture. And like a TV. So now that you have chosen the items, you can insert a text box next to each of them. And when you record energy transformations, you connect them similarly to a food chain or food web. So where does the lamp get its information from? It's going to get its energy from electricity. So you start with electrical, and then you can put 2 dashes and a little arrow, and it turns it into an arrow. The electrical energy is going to go through the lamp and create the light. So that would be radiant. And also some heat energy, right? So dash, dash, arrow, thermal. And those would be, for example, the energy transformations for that particular object. I would need to do the same thing for the fan and the television, and then that creates a picture. You can call it something like 3 examples so that you can find it in your Google Drive. Once you are finished with your picture, go to File and Download, and download it as a JPEG. And it should show up down at the bottom tray of your Chromebook. You want to grab a hold of that. See how I've got a hold of it? Just like you would an image, but instead of dropping it into a document or a slide, you're going to drop it into your Google Drive. Now it's in my Google Drive. It looks like this. So on my slide where I need to insert my Illustrated, I would go to Insert, Image, Drive, and I'm going to look for the thing that I made. I'm going to drag that over here, and if I need to resize it, I can. But you want to put all 3 examples in one picture so that you're only dealing with one thing that you need to insert here. Okay, and then that way we'll be able to see your 3 items from your house and then the energy transformations that took place. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask when you're working in class, but I figured this video could get you started.